In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to create a new layout that integrates an external web page and how to share that layout with specific user roles. Before we get started, ensure you're currently at the administrative level. First, create a new layout. Then, select the Webpages tab and click Add New Web Page. Let's use an OSHA materials database for this example and enter the URL. The web page looks like this. Save the layout because this is the item we're going to share. Name it Hazardous Materials and click Save. We have another sample layout called a Criminal Activity. You can see by the icon that it has been shared in the past. Okay, let's go to Users and Role Settings. The first thing we will do is ensure that any global viewer has access to this specific shared layout. So, I'll select the Hazardous Materials layout to be shared with all global viewers. So there you go. Hazardous Materials shared with all global viewers. And that is exactly how you create a new web page on a layout and make it shareable.